Welcome to the video tutorial on creating a new account on Single Sign-On for availing various online government services. Open your web browser and enter the following link: sso.sikkim.gov.in. After entering the link, you will be directed to the Sikkim SSO. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. To do this, locate and click on the Create Account button. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to enter the following information to register: username, gender, full name, email ID, mobile number, password, and confirm password. After entering all the required credentials, you will need to complete a CAPTCHA code. Now hit the Register button to submit your registration. After that, go to your registered email, where you will receive a verification link. Locate the verification email sent by the Sikkim Single Sign-On, which should indicate that a verification link has been sent to you. Click on the Confirm Account link, which will then redirect you to the SSO page. As you can see, your email has been verified successfully. Click here to log in. Now, enter the username and password you created during the registration process. After successfully logging in, you will see a list of various government services available to you. When you click on a specific service, you will be directed to the application page. Click on the Login option, if required, for the selected service, and you will land on your dashboard. To apply for a particular service, click on the New Application option and start filling out the application. By following these steps, you will be able to access and use the services integrated into the Sikkim SSO Portal. With this, we come to the end of the video tutorial.